Today I'm going to be showing you a pretty cool feature on the iPhone that allows any incoming calls to be announced out loud to you. So this is already built into the phone, so you don't have to install anything. We're just going to head over to our settings and we're just going to search in the bar for phone, and we're just going to go to our phone app, and then you see right there in the middle it says announce calls. Click on that. And you got a couple options here. You can either have it always announce, or announce when you're on headphones or in your car, or headphones only. So that way, if you only need this if you're driving and you're listening to podcasts or something like that, and you want to make sure that it announces so you don't have to look at your phone, or when you're running and want your headphones on, you can set that. I'm just going to turn it always on so I can show you how this works. And now I'm just going to call myself from another phone number so you can hear what this sounds like.
Unknown caller.
So in my case, it was just an unknown phone number because I was using a Google Voice number. But if it's somebody in your contacts, it'll say the name, or it'll say who it is that's calling you. So a nice little feature to be able to hear who's calling you before you run to your phone to look at it, or if you can't look at it because you're driving or running or something like that. Hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.